your smile. That's why I need you around. When I'm with you, I'm the happiest.
Usually I ain't the type to stay, cause you could fall in and go psycho. Ain't no telling where this might go, but I take my chances either way. So come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my...
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box.
Wake up, you sexy bitch. It's time to sin.
Ew, a spider.
Ew, a fat, ugly, depressed bitch. What did you just call me?
You may be a thought, but you're my thought. Get in the car, bitch. We're going to get frappuccinos.
Oh, book, man. Book. ¡Abre León! ¡Maya, chico! I'll see you in court, you piece of shit.
Y'all, I'm just getting started.
Hi, my name is Bryce, and I like to scream and shout. I'll only be your friend until you run out of clout. My temper's pretty hot, you never know when I'll attack. I beat up all my friends. Sorry about that, Zach. Hi, my name.
You can drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can smoke my blunt. Scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck.
It's fucking colder than a witch's tit out there.
Hey Timmy, how's it going? Oh, not bad, just taking off the snow on the car this morning. Yeah, great weather we're having, eh?
Sorry, I ordered 50. I guess you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait! Not 15, 100! 100 smoothies I ordered.
They check it to 10. Hey, I feel like Lil Bo without ice. I want Ferragamo, I want ice. Super thick thighs, super size.
I got the lawyer pods. 1, 2, 3, 4. Call my slime. Call my vato. Oh.
Hey, yeah, 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 yeah,
Get out of my room. Smile wiped clean. Isn't it weird to be so mean? I'm guessing that I've grown horns. I guess I'm human no more. I can tell.
Please, some guy in a car, and now he's videotaping me.
Because this is unlawful.
Ma'am, he's running me over.
No, I'm not.
Ma'am, hurry, please, hurry. Mike! 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 Yes, please! Hurry, ma'am! Ma'am, I don't know, and he's a lunatic and he's videotaping me! Ma'am, please hurry! Mike! You're in trouble.
How
You're
so?
going to jail.
How so?
You're hurting me!
How?
You just ran over! Ma'am, please hurry!
La 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 la.
When I popped off, the girl gave me just a little bit of latcha.
Do Shrek.
Donkey!
Hank Hill.
Well, holler.
Shaggy.
Like, man.
Kermit.
I am Kermit the Frog.
Homer Simpson.
Donuts.
Marge.
Oh, Homer.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Hell no, no, to the no, no. Hell to the no, no.
One step
You fucking scare me. Dude, do you think if I give you like $2, you could take me to the fucking store? I need to buy a plan B. Shit. Stupid ass. She's fucking asleep. Yes or no? Okay, well text me when you're here, bitch. Cause you always fucking forget, stupid.
Hello?
Hey, Bo.
What's up, man?
I was calling to let you know we're having a big party tonight. I'm gonna have like 12 cases of beer and some kegs. You wanna come? Did you say something about free beer?
Made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. When I popped off,
Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice your punches was wrong with a few words to keep it focused if you wanna say so.
I hope you don't think that's moon juice, love. I've got to stop peeing in jars.
yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Can you stay flexing on me? Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yum.
Fast, 400 on the dash, 55 bills, but 50 for the tax.
I'm gonna go bite my boyfriend and see what he does.
Stop! Ah! Stop! What did you? Ah! Please!
Wait.
Renegade.
Go. Got one. Go. Go. Yeah. Go.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole.
You taught a lesson to me that I had to learn. And I'm so sorry cause you let our bridges burn. I said I loved you and I wish I never did. I swear to God, you stupid bitch. I thought that.
Y'all wanna know a life hack? If you put ice in your drink, it gets cold.
I'm in the kitchen, and I'm whipping. Hey. Seasoning that chicken. Hey. Take some lick. Hey. Down for me, baby. There's a lot of people in the club, but you can dance to me. So put your hands on my body and swing that down for me, baby. You know I love it when the music stops, but come strip that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come strip that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Better slip you an
In New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. Não vai não. Agora que esse som tá ficando bom. Não vai não.
Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she.
Simba. Here are all the perks of owning a hairless cat. 1. They don't shed. 2. They are super affectionate. They love being pet. They love to just snuggle because they're always cold all the time. And you have to...
It's raining, it's pouring, my eyes, oh they're stormy, and I don't wanna leave this bed. It's raining, it's pouring, it's 4 in the morning, and I don't wanna cry, but I need you here 'cause I'm a mess.
I'm on TikTok. Boss is on TikTok. Put the ball in your mouth. Boss. Put the ball in your mouth.
What the fuck is that fucking thing?
What the fuck?
Hello?
What?
Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you?
Yeah, what are you?
Bad vibe!
You taught a lesson to me that I had to learn. And I'm so sorry cause you let our bridges burn. I said I love you and I wish I never did. What? I swear to God, I swear to God, you stupid. I thought that we
Walk a mile in these Louboutins, but they don't wear these shits where I'm from.
Guess who's back and better than ever? Those sausage wraps aren't the only thing you're gonna see twice. It's your girl T. Let's go. Boys, I do not wear makeup to impress you. And I don't wear makeup because I'm insecure. Because frankly, I look good without makeup. Beside the point. Irrelevant. Anyways, I do not wake up in the morning and think, I'm gonna paint my eyelids blue because Josh loves blue. I'm gonna flick the eyebrow because Josh loves the flick of the wrist. No! My eyelids gonna be gold cause I'm glitter AF. My lips gonna be pink cause they so luscious. And I'ma look good. And you ain't gotta tell me I look good. Cause I know.
tengo que bailar contigo hoy. Tú eres el imán, yo soy el metal. Hoy te cerca no voy a donde están. De lo que te hermanan sin ningún apuro. Hoy ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todo mi sentido va pidiendo más. De lo que te hermanan sin ningún apuro.
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
Ride with the mob, alhamdulillah. Check you and me, and do your job. Earth is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Yes, Bikini train, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes, nigga, feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures, cause them my hysteria. Mama see me on BT and start tearing up. I'm start getting niggas, I can get that train. I get to the holla picnics when you risk your life. I'm who used to skim work, selling nicks at night.
You taught a lesson to me that I had to learn. And I'm so sorry cause you let our bridges burn. Talk to him. I thought that we
How girls take shits. How guys take shits.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
I was running through the 6 with my
Rusty crab is unfair. Mr. Krabs is in flair.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
I just want to know where my fellow book readers at. Show me your prettiest book, your tiniest book, a book you highly suggest, a book you're currently reading, and one of your favorite books.
She put my name with yellow hearts.
Why won't this truck just fucking start?
Her favorite color like the stars.
I need like 7 different parts.
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass, the sun is still.
You taught a lesson to me that I had to learn. And I'm so sorry cause you let our bridges burn. I said I love you and I wish I never did. What? I swear to God, I swear to God, you stupid. I thought that we
So if you ever have a really good picture but annoying things like light switches are in the way, I use this app called Retouch. All you do is download it, use the little brush tool, and you can literally erase anything from any picture. I use this on so many of my photos.
Yeah, this is mother. Hold up.
Da 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 da.
When I popped off, then your girl.
Wait. Da 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 da.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of job. Baby, so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada.
Run. Run.
What'd you put on there?
glue.
Glue, and then did you try to wipe it off? With what?
Turd paper.
Well, that was a good try.
Okay, so you know when you went to Sephora and you have like no makeup on and they're just looking at you like, ugh, she's nothing. She doesn't know what to do with her face. Ma'am, do you need help? Excuse me. Espérate, mama.
Just the basket, please. Thanks.
Girl, my mood changed when you walked through the door. Before you came, it was tears on the floor. Girl, you so perfect, I think that it's working. You gave me a love, now I really want more. Girl, you so different apart from the rest. Cool, I dropped out.
Like big boys, itty bitty boys, Mississippi boys, and the city boys. I like the pretty boys with the bow tie. Get your nails did, let it blow dry. I like a big beard, I like a clean face. I don't discriminate, come and get a taste.
Come on! Come on!
This is for Donald, you big, fat, white, nasty, smelling fat bitch. Why you took me off the motherfucking White House with your trifling, dirty, white, Cheeto puff, big, fat bitch, oompa loompa, body ass bitch. I'm coming up there and I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you, bitch. And don't try to call the Secret Service, cause I'm gonna come up there unexpected and I'm gonna wait on your motherfucking ass.
I'm at an all-time low.
Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Rocks on my ass, so he call his pussy figure. Fucking I'm.
What the hell? What is that, Mom?
What?
Ma, you see this?
No.
Hold
Holy shit! What the hell is that?
What is happening? You guys see this?
When I popped off and you go gave me just a little bit of love.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop.
Wait, you thought this was gonna be a slow-mo? Never judge a book by its cover. Psych!
All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last. All these horses in my car got
tiptoe through the window, by the window, that is where all be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh, tiptoe from the garden of the willow.
Man, guess what I want?
What you want?
I want some fries.
Want some fries?
I want some barbecue sauce on the side. Don't forget my chicken wings that I ordered, or you will get knocked upside your head with a quarter.
Yo no soy lucido, mucho menos presumido, pero sí me doy a respetar. A los envidiosos verán como los detesto, porque no más hablan por hablar. Pacas de...
I no longer wish to adult. From now on, I shall remain a cozy burrito. If you need me, I will be in my fluff tortilla.
Ooh, boy. Hey, what you doing? All that ass, let me touch it. Oh my god, I am so sorry.
All right, guys, are y'all ready to shoot it now?
Yes.
Do I got time to do a TikTok? Let me do a TikTok. I'm gonna do a TikTok, then let's shoot it. Do I got time to do a TikTok or no? I don't have time to do a TikTok. Fuck! All right.